in India? Correct answer is option C, Kanchenjunga. How long does a person's brain remain alive after death? Correct answer is option B, 10 minutes. How many eggs does a mosquito lay in a day? Correct answer is option A, 200 eggs. In which country the most number of earthquakes occur? Correct answer is option C, Japan. Which country has the Great Barrier Reef? Correct answer is option C, Australia. The Gulf of Mannar is situated along the coast of which state? Correct answer is option C, Tamil Nadu. Who is called the king of the jungle before the lion? Correct answer is option C, elephant. Which planet is known as the morning star or evening star? Correct answer is option D, Venus. How much does it cost to make a rupees 10 coin in India? Correct answer is option A, 10 3 rupees. Which country is called the country of which country does not have a single airport? Who was the last 24 Tirthankars of Jainism? Correct answer is option B, Mahavira. Which is the most toughest exam in the world? Correct answer is option D, Guacao. Which tree gives the most oxygen? Correct answer is option C, people. Which of the following festival is associated with the Vaman avatar of Lord Vishnu? Correct answer is option C, Onam. Which is the longest river flowing between India and Pakistan? Correct answer is option A, Indus River. Which vitamin is not found in fruits and vegetables? Correct answer is option D, vitamin D. Which country is known as the land of lilies? Correct answer is option B, Canada. Which country's president has a 1-year term in the world? Correct answer is option D, Switzerland. What is the capital city of the United States? Correct answer is option D, Washington DC. What is the range of the intensity scale used in measuring earthquakes? Correct answer is option D, 1 to 12. Which country shares the longest border with India? Please comment your correct answer.